Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Certain man in Russia long ago. He was big and strong, in his eyes a flaming glow. Most people look at him with terror and the fear. But to Moscow chicks, he was such a lovely dear. He could preach the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy.
Let me show you all the new slimes in my Christmas restock. First is gingerbread waffle DIY slime. This is a holiday special slime that is scented just like gingerbread. It comes with a waffle and a syrup for you to mix in the base slime to create a nice fluffy semi-butter texture. Here is Santa's Workshop. This is a semi-foam that is scented like Christmas cookies. It smells super delicious and it makes amazing bubble pops and crunches. Next is Winter Snow Globe Clear Slime. It is an unscented, thick and clicky clear slime that has many winter-themed glitters and decorations inside it. It is so pretty and it is one of my favorites. Finally, here's Melted Snowman Slime. It is a thick and glossy, cranberry-scented slime that comes with small snowman parts for decorations. This slime is amazing for pokes and bubble pops.
Cause after the storms, when the flowers bloom.
Call it what you mean. I take it offensive, cause I'm the hottest flower boy that popped up on the
And every time it rains, and from heaven.
Shooby-dooby,
Don't you know each cloud contains banners from heaven?
shooby-dooby.
You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is up, upside down. Waiting for a pack.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10,
Listening once again.
with candy canes and silver lanes aglow.
Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a merry
Your best friend too.
Michael Jackson, I'ma beat it. Game undefeated. She look good in that bikini, but the winter time my favorite season. She gon' drop.
Honey.
Close your eyes and let the word paint 1,000 pictures.
One good girl is worth 1,000 bitches.
Bam!
That I'm never leaving, 'cause I'm Mrs. Snow.
Till death will be freezing. Want my home for a season. So come on, and go.
Let's go below zero. my home for all seasons. So come on, let's go. Go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever.
Stop. What the hell are you talking about? Good luck putting little money in your mouth. We are not the same with or without.
God, I've never loved one like you. And oh my best friend, I'm screaming to the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need but hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing pleased me more than you.
Come da bene vedi I love you.
Come make slimes with me for my Black Friday's restock. First up is Santa's Milk and Cookie Slime. This one is a duo that comes with two slimes, Santa's Cookie Slime, which I'm making here, and is sent to like Snickerdoodle cookies, and Santa's Milk, which has a semi-jiggly but glossy texture. Now we're going to make Christmas popcorn slime. I use caramel popcorn slime for this one, and it smells super good. There's so many cute charms in this one, and it makes really good bubble pops. Last but not least is Christmas cookie dip. It is super smooth yet dense, and this one makes me crave Christmas desserts, as it is scented like Christmas cravings, a sweet scent with a scent of cinnamon. Here's a list of all the slimes I'll be restocking on November 27th at 8 p.m. Central Time for Black Friday. Let me know which slimes you guys are thinking of getting.
The weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I've bought some corn.
Let's package another slime order together. This order is for Joyce from Pennsylvania, and she ordered 10 slimes in total: mint chip ice cream, frozen lemonade, turtle cove fishbowl, cookies and cream butter, Magic Kingdom and peach fluff cloud, cream corn, cosmic brownie, and 2 of my holiday special slimes like Santa's Workshop and Christmas popcorn. I first grabbed all the slimes, bubble wrapped them, and put them all inside of the box. Then I added a cute little bun squishy as an extra for her order and a slime care sheet. Finally, I taped the box and was ready to be shipped. Thank you for purchasing, Joyce, and let's pack another slime order together. This order is for Michelle from California, and she ordered many of my Christmas special slimes like Peppermint Mocha, Santa's Milk and Cookies Duo, Christmas Popcorn, and Peppermint Fluff, along with some of my favorite slimes, Strawberry Boba, S'more Scoop, and Cosmic Brownie Slime. I first grabbed all the slime she ordered from the slime shelf and bubble wrapped each of them to ensure protection during transit. Then I added all of the slimes in the box and added a slime care sheet and gave her this little cute narwhal squishy as an extra. Finally, I taped the box and it was good to go. Thank you for purchasing, Michelle, and
Chill, I'm still going. Riding the Maserati, catch a body, she a hottie, call her shawty, look like a Barbie, cash out like Cardi, throw a party with your mommy, I can tell that you want me, cause I'm saucing in this bitch, saucing in this bitch.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look in the 5 and 10,
Listening once again.
with candy canes and
let me show you some of the new products that I've just stocked on my shop. First, we have Strawberry Boba Slime, which comes with a cute boba charm and a straw for decoration. It has a super clicky and thick texture, and it is scented as lychee and strawberries. Next, we have Crushed Peppermint Bath Bomb Slime. This slime will come with a fake bath bomb for you to mix in the slime yourself. This one inflates a ton and is super fun to play with. Then we have Santa's Milk and Cookies Slime Duo. This duo comes with a thick milk slime scented like cinnamon milk and cookie slime scented as snickerdoodle cookies. Both have an amazing texture and are super fun to play with. Here's Christmas Cookie Dust Slime, which comes with 2 fake gingerbread cookies for you to mix in with. It smells so nice and it is one of my favorites. Here's Christmas Popcorn Slime, and if you love ASMR crunches and pops, this one is a perfect one for you. It is scented like caramel popcorn and will come with many candy charms. Finally, here's Winter Wonderland Jelly, which is a thick jelly slime that is scented like candy canes. It inflates a ton after you play with it. Thank you for watching, and the link is in my bio to shop.
I want it, I made it. 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 I want it, I made it.
Let me show you some new slimes that I just restocked. First up is Pizza Slime Kit. It will come with everything shown for you to decorate your own slime pizza. It is scented like cheesecake and the texture is super fluffy. Next up is Angel Food Cake. This slime smells so nice and has a fluffy semi-snow fizz texture. Looks yummy. I want some cake now. Here is Pineapple Chunk Slime. It smells like pineapple juice and has fake pineapple pieces for you to squeeze. Finally, this is Cookie Monster Milk. It has a thick and glossy slime texture. It is amazing for pokes and bubble pops. My spa day slime collection is launching tonight. This is Bubble Bath. It comes with 2 duckas. It is so pretty. This is Mermaid Tail Bath Bomb. Squish. This is Rose Balm. It is scented as lavender. This is Green Tea Face Mask. It smells just like the name and it's so smooth. This is Twilight Shower Jelly. So gorgeous. Which slime was your favorite?
Certain man in Russia long ago. He was big and strong in his eyes of flame.
Let's package another slime order together. This package is for Jamie from Indiana, and she ordered 9 slimes in total for my last Friday's restock. She ordered Frozen Lemonade, Jaw Scoop, Peppermint Mocha DIY Kit, Rose Bath Bomb, 2 of my new favorite slime kits, Snooze Pizookie, and 3 of y'all's all-time favorite peanut butter cookie dough. I first grabbed all the slimes from the shelf and got a large box for this order to put all the slimes in, along with packing peanuts to secure it all together. Then I also added 2 slime carry sheets and a cake roll and watermelon squishy as extras for her order. After putting everything in, I taped the box and it was ready to be shipped. Let's package another slime order together. This order is for Jody from Pennsylvania, and they ordered Uni Scoop, the Charlie Slime Kits, Snowball Fight, Ice Cream Cake Scoop, Cupid's Cloud Slime, Cosmic Brownie, Cookie Monster Milk, and lastly, Beach Float. I grabbed all the slimes and the add-ons and bubble wrapped everything to make sure it is safe during shipping. Then I got a large box, added some packing peanuts, and put all of the slimes inside. For this large order, I added 2 slime carry sheets along with an ice cream and a heart-shaped squishy for extras. Finally, I taped the box and it was ready to be shipped. Hope you like your slimes, and
Slow down, grab the wall, wiggle like you tryna make your ass fall off. Hella thick, I wanna smash them all now. Speed up, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal, gas pedal. You already know.
Day in my life as a teen entrepreneur, Black Friday edition. Today was going to be a very busy day, so I woke up early, grabbed coffee, and went right to my office to start working. I made one last batch of strawberry boba slime for the restock and packed last few clear slimes and metallic slimes with my staff, such as Golden Honey, Detox Water, Barbie, and Euphoria. Then I designed some sale graphics to upload onto my website before the restock, and double-checked the quantities of all of my DIY slime add-ons to make sure none of them were miscounted, especially since this was one of my biggest restocks yet. Finally, I uploaded all of the restock items onto my website and my Black Friday restock sale went live. I'm blown away by everyone's support every week, and with this being one of my biggest restocks yet with over 11,000 slimes, I cannot express how grateful and thankful I am. I understand that some of you guys were unable to get a chance to purchase the ones you've wanted for holidays, and I'll continue expanding my business operations quickly so that is possible. After a very busy day, I picked up wings from Pluckers with my sister and had dinner with my family. Day in my life as a teen entrepreneur. Today I went straight to work and started making slimes for this Friday's restock. I made many batches today, starting off with cake batter, ice cream, and marshmallow fluff. Marshmallow fluff has been one of my all-time bestsellers for a while, and I can't believe it's already been almost half a year since I started selling it on my shop. Then I went to Krispy Kreme during lunch to pick up dozen donuts for my staff and I, and came back to make more slimes like raspberry sorbet, 2 new slimes, Twilight Shower Jelly, and Green Tea Face Mask slime. Both are a part of my Spa Day slime collection launching this Friday, and the textures are so unique and nice. After that, I went to go eat oysters and sushi and came back to my office to film a video for TikTok and plan more slimes for this Friday's slime drop. I left my office super late today, but I came back home to finish some business things and went to bed. Day in my life as a teen entrepreneur. Today I first made my own breakfast and finished all my online classes in the morning before heading to my office to work. For today I mainly made clear slime batches so that it will be clear for my future restocks. I then checked the consistencies of the clear slimes that have been cleared up to make sure it was perfect. After that, I organized new shipments that arrived like these food dyes and bubble wrapped my whipped coffee slime kit for my restock. Then I filmed 3 videos for TikTok and Instagram for a new slime called Twilight Shower Jelly, Rose Bath Bomb, and Cotton Candy Ice Cream. After filming, I took product pictures for new slimes and went on a run with my friend. After our run, we made smoothies and I came back to my house to eat Korean barbecue with my family for dinner. Finally, I worked on more business-related things like ordering new scents, uploading new products onto my website, and ordering cute extras for my subscription boxes before going to sleep. By the way, my website is restocking tomorrow at 8 p.m. Central Time, so make sure to set your alarms. Day in my life as a teen entrepreneur. I started off my day with a morning workout and headed to my office straight away. I first organized all the packages that got delivered like the glue gallons and then designed a new graphic for my restock information to post on Instagram and packed last few slimes for tonight's restock. I first packaged Twilight Shower Jelly slime, which is a semi-jiggly metallic slime inspired by Lush Shower Jelly, green tea face mask slime, which is a sizzly dense butter slime, pineapple chunks, and strawberry boba. Then it was lunchtime, so I went to Starbucks and Dunkin' to get my staff coffee and donuts and came back to my office to film videos for TikTok and Instagram, as well as double checking the quantities of DIY slime add-ons to make sure the numbers were correct for tonight's restock. After finishing up, it was 8 p.m. so I had my restock. Thank you guys so much for always supporting my business and let me know which slimes you would like me to restock next week. Finally, I had Chipotle for dinner and did some business things and homework before going to bed. Day in my life as a teen entrepreneur. I started off by making maple waffle and fruity pebble waffles for this upcoming Friday's restock. Then I packed many slimes, starting off with bubble bath slime, Snoop Puffs, and more green tea face mask slime. I'm currently obsessed with my green tea face mask slime because the texture is so smooth and the scent is super relaxing. Then I went to the Domain to meet up with my sister to get lunch at a restaurant called Culinary Dropout and came back home to walk my dog before going back to my office to work. I packed one more slime called Marshmallow Fluff and then experimented with creating new DIY add-ons like this chocolate cookie for Milk and Cookies DIY slime. Then I filmed a TikTok video for a new slime called Love Donut, which honestly looks so appetizing to eat, and then worked on my slime subscription boxes that I'll be releasing in less than 2 weeks. I printed out all of the slime labels today and I love how the designs turned out. Finally, I went roller skating with my friends at night in Austin, came back home to finish up homework, practice guitar, and go to bed.